We have that weather impact alert, which is going to take us into the weekend.
It is right. Everything's going to start for the weekend. In fact, colder air will move in by tonight and will stay cold all day on Saturday. That's where we're expecting to be some snow around the area. It'll happen in the wee hours of the morning. We'll move through the area by the afternoon, and then we'll get out of the way. And then that cold air just kind of settles right in place, folks, where the winds start to pick up. And yeah, it will be cold. That's going to be the story really for the weekend. Cold air, much colder than what you're probably expecting. You're looking at cold temperatures for the weekend. Our 11 Live weather impact alert will last until Monday. Slippery roads where that snow happens to fall, and I think it will stick around because the temperatures will be so cold. See this pink area here that includes Athens over toward Augusta, say from Gwinnett County eastward. We're looking at anywhere from 2 to 4 inches of snowfall possible here. Higher amounts up into South Carolina, of course. Starts to wean off a little bit here as you head toward the metro area and over toward the west, but anywhere from I'd say a dusting to up to inch and a half, maybe 2 inches in some spots in that blue shaded area. That is where we have our winter weather advisory that will be in effect as well for tomorrow. So you're looking at clouds in place right now. We'll see holes in those clouds, so a mix of sunny clouds is what we'll call it. You'll get a little bit of sunshine poking through here and there. Temperatures are in the 20s up to the north. You got 25 in Georgia's Rome, 24 over toward Canton, 31 degrees in Atlanta, 27 degrees in Covington, and out to Edenton you're at 28, as well as Thomaston, also over toward LaGrange, 25, and Peachtree City at the current hour. We'll watch those temperatures rise to around 50 degrees for the afternoon, a little bit milder than where we have been, so we get a chance to enjoy this before that colder air really starts to move in later tonight and into tomorrow. The cold air up to the north of us, area of low pressure that's going to bring the snow our way is just off to our west, as you can see. That will slide over toward the east. Once it starts to, another area of low pressure starts to form over here to the east, that will bring back that wraparound precipitation or moisture, and that's what's going to bring in some of that snow our way. So that area of low pressure starts to slide eastward. You can see the wraparound already starting to take effect later on this afternoon and tonight up here to the north. That will make its way down into our forecast area, so we'll be seeing some snow, but you can see the bulk of it stays mainly just to the east of the city of Atlanta. So here's what we're looking at here, and the models have been very consistent, especially for the Athens area eastward where we see heavier amounts or higher amounts of snow. Once you get to the metro area, it really starts to taper off, and we're kind of on that border between just the dusting and about 1 to 2 inches, which is why we're saying at best we'll see 2 inches in our forecast area, maybe up toward Georgia's Rome. The further south you go, you're talking about lower totals. So this is what we're looking at. Flurries, as you can see, the further west you go. Once you get to Atlanta, you're right there on that line between flurries and an inch. Of course, once you get over toward east of Gwinnett County, 2 to 4 inches and even higher totals up into the Carolinas. Here's how it plays out hour by hour. Our forecast track model shows the clouds in place, especially for tonight. During the wee hours in the morning, I stopped it here by 2:30. You can see where that snow is making its way a little further down to the south. Maybe even seeing some snowflakes flying around the metro area even at that hour. Certainly during the morning hours, heavier snow, mainly over here toward the east. Again, we're right there on that border between a dusting and 1 to maybe 2 inches of snowfall. Should be out of the way by the time we get to 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon for the metro area, but over toward the east, still coming down in places like Edenton and over toward Athens. We won't leave that area until we get past 5, 6 o'clock, and notice we're left with the clouds. Now, I do think it will stick around because the cold air is in place. All right, and even colder air coming our way through the overnight as we clear those clouds out. And so Sunday morning starts off with temperatures in the teens, but it's going to feel like the single digits out there. Even though we'll have the sunshine back on Sunday, it will be a cold day. Cold air watch in effect for Saturday night going into Sunday afternoon, where we could see the wind chills, the way it feels in your exposed skin, below 0 or just above 0, so in the single digits in a lot of spots. Our 11 Live weather impact alert will last through Monday, where we'll start off with temperatures below freezing, right around 21 degrees. With the sunshine on Monday, should get up to about 45 degrees. And look at this. We mild up nicely as we head through the week, getting back closer to where we should be for this time of year. We'll see 52 degrees on Tuesday. By Wednesday, 54. There's about a 40% chance for some isolated showers to be around on Wednesday, and then we'll clear it out for Thursday, with those temperatures falling once again. Things getting